What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be doing a Christmas glam eyeshadow with a halo cut crease, and I'm gonna put gold on the cut crease. And if you guys want to see how I create this Christmas eye look, keep watching. First I'm gonna start off with primer, but first I want to tell you guys I already did my eyebrows. I think they're looking really nice today, but I already did my eyebrows using the Cosmetics foundation like always. Apply it with my finger. I already carved on my eyebrows, so. So we're already primed up. Next I'm going to go in with the MORPHE Exchange Charles palette. I'm going to set my brow bone with this shade right here. Just pack that on my outer corner, inner corner, and my crease. So I'm just tapping it on my outer corner first, like that. Pack it more where we put it. I'm going to do the other eye off of camera, and then I'm going to clean it up, and then I'll be right back. This is the finishing look. These are both of the eyes. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, hit that post notification bell to get notified every time I make a new video, which is 3 times a week. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and see you guys in my next one. Peace.